Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset notification settings to default on Telegram. If you want to start fresh with your notifications, follow these simple steps on your Android device. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu of the app. Scroll down and select Settings from the list of options. This will take you to the Settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of the app. Now navigate to the Notifications and Sounds section. This is where you can manage all your notification settings, including message alerts, call notifications, and more. To reset all your notifications to default settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find an option labeled Reset All Notifications. Tap on this option to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Simply confirm your decision by tapping on the Reset button. This will reset all your notification settings to the default configuration, and that's it. Your notification settings have been successfully reset to default on Telegram. Now you can start fresh and customize your notifications according to your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.